Guys, I cannot believe it. No more stage 2. And this is official. I was reading through the forums and I was gonna like message Aaron Acknell again. He's the CEO of APR. I don't know if he's the founder, but I know he's the chief, the man in charge. So he commented on this guy's post. This guy was asking about downpipes and why everything was discontinued on the website. And Aaron commented, "Sorry, downpipes are discontinued. Stage 2 is discontinued. Stage 2 will be available for existing customers who have it now, or those who have purchased a downpipe and have an authorization code. The cutoff for anyone else looking to buy stage 2 is Labor Day." So he really doesn't have any other answer. So it's kind of one of those, I personally haven't decided what company I'm gonna go with, but companies are probably gonna go down the same route as APR. APR was just the first company to go vocal about it, and which I find, you know, it's totally fine. I think a lot of people are like bashing APR right now, but realistically, Integrated Engineering, Cobb, all these other companies, unless they do it kind of in a shady fashion, they're gonna stop offering these downpipes. So stage 2 is completely gone for APR. No more pops and bangs. It's so hard to believe that that's the case, but it's just kind of the way things are now, where everything's downsizing, engines are downsizing. The government is kind of taking control of that, and the EPA has a helping hand. I personally am not a fan, and I'm not trying to sound political. I'm really not. I try to keep everything political off this channel. This is gonna be a short video. I don't really want to get too crazy into it, because believe me, I will if I have to, but right now it's just kind of an upsetting time. The car industry and the car modification world, which is honestly a really booming industry and something that's actually growing, it seems like it's just kind of going away and fading away, and it's a really good industry. And obviously, you know, my YouTube videos, I'm one of many, like thousands and almost maybe even millions of car YouTubers out there. And I'm just, you know, one of a few, but I still get a lot of attention, a lot of feedback, and clearly it's a really good industry. It's very upsetting. So, you know, that's the thing about the world we live in, is when there's you know, something doesn't necessarily go our way, there's obviously a new answer at the other end of the road. So there might be a new way for us to be able to modify these cars. You know, if there's definitely, the technology will come out, there's going to be demand for it, and you know, it might not just be a downpipe, there might be some, you know, something completely new, and we might not be seeing the gains that we saw before, but you know what, there's always going to be new technology that comes out, and you know, whether it's greener, more efficient technology, we'll wait and see. So yes, the sad news, and this is confirmed by Aaron, APR stage 2 discontinued, downpipes discontinued, and yeah, so it's upsetting, but hopefully you guys have a great day. This is just a short little update, and I kind of just want to tell you guys as soon as possible, because if you guys are thinking about an APR stage 2 tune, get it now, because it is, time is ticking, and I don't think I'm going to be getting one. So because I have an exhaust on the way, and I could, but I'm gonna wait and see, because obviously if I buy a downpipe and they're really cracking down, inspection's gonna be totally different. Like, you know, I don't want to spend all the money just to cough it up in the end. So hopefully you guys are doing well, hopefully you guys are healthy, and thank you guys so much for watching the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.